With us on the broadcast is Major Muhammad Ali Shah. And Major Shah, thank you so much for staying on with us. Sir, it's a dire situation. I mean, the economy is in shambles right now. The Taliban, of course, are taking control. And we know that the Taliban, even though they may be capable to some extent of taking care or having a military presence, they're not adept to taking care of the social situation, the economic situation of Afghanistan. Sir, then, when it comes to, helping the people of Afghanistan, do you think that giving monetary support or giving some kind of funds to the Taliban is going to be of any help?
I don't think it's going to be of any help at all because, it's rather than giving somebody fish to eat for a day. Teach those people to catch a fish so that they can feed themselves throughout forever. So I really don't think, honestly speaking, it will really matter much because ultimately it's the Taliban government which is going to pocket it. It will not, the funds will not come down to the actual grassroots level where it's supposed to come. First, even if I come, things are clear with a very kind-hearted mind. And I believe in humanity, no doubt. But then I'm telling you a very practical thing. Secondly, if we talk about the Hazara community in Afghanistan, see, the Pashtuns are dominating the government, the Taliban government. There is just 1 or 2 seats of Uzbeks and Tajiks over there, but not a single seat for the Hazara community. In fact, recently, when there was a bomb blast in a mosque in Afghanistan, not even a week back, we had 80% casualties, 80 to 85% casualties of the Hazara community.
Correct.
So Hazara community is buying the dust over there, no doubt. But frankly speaking, even if we do, if anyone does give monetary help to the Hazara community, the fact is ensuring how it will actually reach the needy, how will it actually reach the Hazara community, how will it actually reach the victims. Taliban is themselves in need of funds. And when they are them, China is not going to feed them forever. Pakistan has no funds to give them. So how will Taliban survive? Now, and certainly it's a challenge that who is going to recognize Taliban when they have a government of terrorists? They have Sirajuddin Haqqani as the interior minister. A big tight slap they gave to the entire world community, showing that, okay, we will do what we have to do. Now, at that point, so they have to learn the lessons the hard way. Because even if we decide to come forward, ultimately Taliban, which is themselves in need of funds, is going to pocket it for sure. I can guarantee you that.
Okay, all right. So, then I want to ask you, let's say that we want to send some kind of help, let's say that United Nations or human rights groups want to go into Afghanistan to help minority communities such as the Hazara community. Are they going to be safe at all? Then that is the big question.
Oh, well, see, discrimination or this kind of partiality is going to take place, especially in Afghanistan. And the only way is one has to be better than the best. Like, for example, if there are 2 people of the same height, who would be preferred? Obviously, I mean, it is human nature. Like, this bias or this partiality. You would prefer somebody from your own village or from your own school. Also, this is fine. But then at the end of the day, if the other person is better, exceptional, you can't help it but to accept that person. So as Allama Iqbal once said, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रजा क्या है. So the only way is make yourself better than the best, and most certainly, like in India we have certain reservations. So like for the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, we have certain. Similarly, the Taliban government must realize it is the Taliban's. It is, see, not only the problem of the Taliban. In fact, it is the problem of humanity, which people want to come for. And India is a very helping nation. India proved it when Taliban took over. We flew in aircrafts not only with our Indian citizens but also with Afghans. We rescued them out from there. Hence, prove that we actually first believe in humanity. Now, if we want to help them out, Taliban is certainly going to do all. Why didn't they give a single seat? Not a single seat. At least 1 seat is possible when they can give other communities. But no, Hazara community has been like, not just worse than stepmotherly treatment. So even if we do come forward and help them, but Taliban is going to pocket it all for its own selfish means.
Absolutely, sir.